Welcome to sunny Tsawwassen. My name is Kuchma and I'm with Alair Homes Delta. We are standing here in front of this 3-level split home that was built in the 1960s that really needed a renovation. And that's where Alair Homes Delta stepped in. Although most of the work was done inside the home, we did do a little bit of work on the exterior. We got a fresh coat of paint, some energy efficient windows, and this fancy blue door behind me. Watch for a little more of this color inside. Here in the entryway, we removed book shelving that was sitting on top of the wall, blocking the natural light coming into the entranceway. We've also removed the texture that was on the wall to allow for a smooth finish. In this corner, we took out the closet and allowed for much more natural light. On the stairs, we removed a partial wall and replaced it with a white oak railing with some black spindle accent. This railing matches the engineered oak flooring throughout the home. Here we are in the great room. One of the main features of this renovation was this kitchen. You should have seen the corner sink that was here. I've never seen anything like it before. In the kitchen, we removed 2 walls that really closed it in. It opened it up to the living room and dining room. We've installed new walnut cabinets with white accent lower cabinets. We've installed this 12-foot peninsula. The peninsula has storage on both sides. Remember that blue door from outside? We'll take a look at this backsplash. So while they were planning for this renovation, working with their designer, Gallop, they actually discovered a leak in the roof. And that's really what prompted this whole renovation.
So it appears that the fasteners for the roof are all dripping. There's water in all the nails that are penetrating through the sheeting.
We actually had to get the roofing company back in to install venting. It would keep the attic space dry. Here in the dining room, we've installed some beautiful glass French doors that lead out to the backyard, as well as a 10-foot banquette that's got tons of storage. Walking into the living room, from this perspective, you can really see how taking out that shelving really opened up the space. We've updated the fireplace, creating a minimal mantle with some porcelain tile and a high-efficiency fireplace. Over here, we moved the stairway back to line up with the wall and remove the archway overhead. We have completely reconfigured the lower level of this home. Here in the rec room, we've added some pot lights and given it a fresh coat of paint. We've also installed 2 new pocket doors to allow for some privacy. We added a powder room with a walnut vanity and some more of that blue tile. So last but not least, check out this laundry room. With this beautiful white textured subway tile and quartz countertop and all this additional storage. Well, that is the end of our Alair home tour. We hope you enjoyed watching it. Please like and subscribe below.